In today's video, I'll be making this fish soup for dinner and I'm going to use it with my okra soup and pounded yam. I'm coming back.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time coming across this channel, my name is Temi and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be making this fish soup and I will be using catfish and tilapia fish. So I got this catfish for 10 euros 50 cents and this tilapia fish for 5 euro. Yeah, so I'll go on and cut all the things because I don't want to eating the fish why this stuff will be choking my mouth. If I want to make this type of fish, I love to use my lemon or my lime orange to wash everything because I don't like all those smell. So I've cut it already, then I'm washing it and I'm still going to wash it for the third time. So this is the outcome of our washed fish. So I'm going to add my garlic powder, I will add my salt, my chicken flavor. I'll mix everything together, then I will let it sit to marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. Then I'll clean everywhere because I don't like the smells at all. So after 2 hours, I'll go on and slice my onions and I will blend my tomatoes, my habanero pepper and my onions together because I'll first parboil this blended tomato and pepper. Because if you are preparing fish stew, you don't need that tomato to be gnashing in your teeth. You need everything to cook well. So I've cooked my tomatoes already. Then let's get straight to business. So I want to put my palm oil. This is my red oil. I'll let it hot in a low heat. Then I will add my chopped onions to fry for a little time, like 1 second or 2 seconds. It's enough. Then I will add my cooked tomatoes and habanero and onions pepper. So I want to blend these locust beans. If you don't have these locust beans, don't panic, go on and prepare your food like that. But because I have it, I'll try to blend it, then I'll turn it in my soup. Yeah, then I'll turn everything together like this locust bean. If you are preparing fish stew or fish soup, oh my gosh, if you can get this locust bean, there is one scent that it don't give. I think there's still something that called ogiri, something like that. If you don't have locust bean, you can use your ogiri. I'm so sorry for background noise. I don't know if you guys know what is called ogiri, but locust beans, yeah, we don't have it, skip it. Just make sure that you parboil your pepper before you continue cooking your soup. Then you add your salt, your maggi, your everything that is called seasoning at all. You add everything, then you let it cook like it's been long I made this food. I let me say I've not even tried this recipe in my channel. I've not posted something like this before. It's my first time posting this because it's been long I made this fish soup and I love it so much. I don't know why I stopped making it. Ah I don't know why I stopped making it. This is one of my husband's favorite dishes. Oh my god, he loves this food so much. So I'll cover it and I'll let it cook in a very low heat. You can't see that it's cooking in a low heat. Then I'll add my catfish and my tilapia fish. This is 7-star restaurant. Like as I was eating this soup, it's giving me that restaurant vibe. Like when you order something from restaurant, when you order food from restaurant, that vibe of amalan ewedu. Oh my god, the only Yoruba can understand this vibe. Like, oh my goodness sake, me as a Yoruba girl I am, I cannot use only this. I make sure that I use it with my okra soup. I will surely show you guys. Yeah, because I've already cooked my okra. Only okra. I didn't add any pepper or anything. Just normal okra like you prepare your ewedu. then you put this soup and you turn semu or amala. The thing just painful that I don't have that black amala. Assuming I have that black amala, I will have make use of it, but I make use of my pounded yam. I'm surely going to show you guys everything. So it's cooking, we're getting there. So I cover it, and here we are done. So I'll go on and make use of my pando yam. This is my pando yam. Let me tell you guys one tip: if you are preparing fish stew, you don't want your fish to scatter. Turn it when you newly put your fish, like when your fish is still cold. Turn all the soup together, and if you want to turn it again, just use tight to turn it. As in, you don't need to be turning fish soup like that. Just shake your pots, and it's okay, because if you continue turning it with your spoon, it's going to scatter all your fish, and you won't like it. And here is my pando yam. Yeah, hey, like when Hobby came back from work and I said this in front of him, I did not even let him wait to even bait because I've already set the time he's coming back from work. Then I continued preparing this food. As he came back, okay, I just set it straight, and he was like, oh my God, this is this Dante. It was like, thank you so much, because me too, I enjoyed this soup so much. And here is my okra soup with my locust bean. That's my locust bean in it. And here we are. Oh my goodness. Tell me, are you going to eat this? Have you tried this type of dishes or dish, or have you tried it at all? Let me know in the comment section. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.